If you want to use voice typing on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we need to open Settings. In Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we want to proceed to the System Settings. Over here in System Settings, we want to go to Keyboard, then go to On-Screen Keyboard, and then tap on Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now here we can go to the voice typing and we want to make sure that it is enabled, and you can also toggle faster voice typing if you want to. Once we are sure that the voice typing is enabled, we should be able to open our keyboard, and then on the right side at the top of the keyboard we have this microphone, so we can tap on it to start using the microphone. Of course, we need to grant the permission for the keyboard to use the microphone, so we're gonna choose while using the app. And now, whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. So let's see if it's going to show up. Sometimes at first it might not work correctly. There we go. So now whatever you say out loud, it can be converted. Also, there is a possibility that once you end your sentence, the microphone is going to be deactivated. So in this case, it does. However, it doesn't work all the time. So if I try to use it in here, then it should stay enabled all the time, probably. Actually, no, it ends just as we ended the speech. So I'm not sure how exactly it works when it stops, and sometimes it doesn't stop, so I'm not sure when that happens. Maybe it just depends on the phone itself, but in case the microphone doesn't disable itself, if the keyboard doesn't deactivate the microphone once you end your speech, then you might want to tap on the microphone again to stop it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.